Good morning, guys. My name is Jonah. It is very cold, foggy weather in Sydney. There's a new feature that Twitter actually added. It's called monetization. So let's get into Twitter. On the left top, I'm using the Android phone hamburger button. There's a new button here just at the bottom of Moments. So just click on the monetization. So there's like different options here. There's not many, but anyway. There's ticketed spaces and help center. Let's go to ticketed spaces. Ticketed spaces. So you get paid for doing what you love. So it says here that you can host paid gatherings. Ticketed spaces allows your audience to purchase tickets for the experience and conversations you have in a space. Next one is connect more deeply with your fans. Okay, you can host workshops, conversations, or meet and greets with a small number of your most loyal fans. If you have loyal fans, okay, so they need to be loyal with you. You can also earn money where your audience is. Twitter's global platform is the perfect spot for hosting live paid events. Now you can directly monetize your following. Also, what it's saying here is, what are ticketed spaces? Ticketed spaces help creators generate revenue from the content they're hosting while allowing people to show their support. You can now schedule a space. When you start a space, schedule it for later, then select your ticket quantity and set a price. How cool is that? You can start selling tickets. Once you're done creating your ticketed spaces, take note, it says here ticketed spaces. Share a tweet to all of your followers so they can purchase tickets. Now this is good to promote your ticketed spaces. You can promote it, I guess, anywhere you like, and then you can start generating tickets. Okay, so obviously if you actually sell tickets, that's where you make money. Earnings will be deposited in your account approximately 45 days later. You can earn up to 97% of the revenue, I guess, because I don't know why they put 45 days later. I guess so you can have as many revenue as or income as they can. So not sure why 45 days later. Does make sense though. What's the revenue share split? After you create a ticketed space, you can share a tweet about the upcoming event to make it easy for your fans to discover and purchase tickets. You can earn up to 97% of the revenue on ticket sales after platform fees are deducted by Apple and Google on in-app purchase sales. Now, this is the interesting part. I haven't actually applied for ticketed space beta yet. But it says here, tap below if you're ready to jump in to creating ticketed spaces and start earning money. I'm excited about this. Let's see this first time. Here we go. Add tickets to your spaces and start earning. Earn money and build following by adding tickets to your spaces. To qualify, you must meet the following requirements. First, have at least 1,000 followers. Tick. That's good already. I didn't even know I have 1,000 followers already. Have hosted at least 3 spaces in the past 30 days. Okay, this is a problem because I haven't actually hosted at least 3 spaces in the past 30 days. So let's tap on the right top. I just want to really show it to you what's happening, okay? I can't apply it because I haven't actually hosted a space yet. Let's have a look. So I think this is okay. What's the eligibility criteria? To begin hosting ticket spaces, creators need to meet the minimum eligibility criteria to submit an application. There are a limited number of test group participants who will be accepted during the initial phase, but we will put applications on the waitlist if we accept their application. In the site, obviously, I've already explained this to you guys, okay? So there you go. So I haven't actually applied. I don't know if I should apply it because I haven't even um, host a space yet. Also, it says here that once a creator has made a total of 50,000 in lifetime earnings from Twitter creator monetization products, including ticketed spaces and superpowers, the creator will be eligible to earn up to 80% of revenue and future earnings from Twitter creator monetization products after platform fees. I'm speaking really fast right now, so I don't know if I should because the tick I can't tick on that. Okay, so that's about it. Enjoy.